Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. It's cold out here. Michigan, zone 6A. And it's like 50 today. And I waited a couple extra weeks to harvest these sweet potatoes and hopefully have sweet potatoes. I hope I have sweet potatoes this time. You know, the last harvest we had those finger fries. Very few of them. The purple Japanese potatoes. So, I think these are regular sweet potatoes. I don't remember. And we're going to see what's going on here. So let me take you down. And because the leaves are dead, mostly dead. And it's not going to get too much warmer here. So I need to see what I got going on. Pray for this. Pray for this. Pray for this. I'm going to do this one. And maybe I've got three more buckets to empty. We'll see how many I get done today. Let me just try this one and hope for the best. So, pull all this off, right? Oh, it says purple sweet potatoes. Okay. You can see that. We gonna see. Please let me have harvest. Please let me have. Oh, shucks now. Oh, y'all, look. Uh-oh. I'm getting excited. I hope this isn't the mother. Look at there. I wonder if this is the one that I planted, though. I don't know. Did I plant one that big? That's not purple, though. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, there's another one. I don't know. This might be one. This is one that I planted. This is definitely one that I planted. So that's no good. That's not to eat. That other one might have been one, too. I don't know. Oh. Get all this out. So what is that? So I got sweet potatoes and purple potatoes in here. Hopefully. Oh, I don't know. That's one I planted. Gotta be, because it's cut on both ends. Gotta be. Okay, let it be something else in here. Doggone it. Something that I can eat. Oh, I don't know. Is that one I planted? Yeah, that's cut off. How many I plant in here? Okay. Oh Lord, this is I don't know. This is irritating. No, it's not. Let's keep going. Let's break up this soil some. Please be sweet potatoes in here. Please. I don't know, y'all. Doggone it. I'm not seeing nothing. What is up with sweet potatoes this season? The one I know that really got a good harvest. I'm not the only one, but I know Broke Farmer got a great harvest of sweet potatoes. Y'all, ain't nothing in here. This is pissing me off. All I got was sweet potato leaves. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, what a waste! What a waste of time, a waste of water. I did get to eat some sweet potato leaves though. Sauteed those. All right, let me move up a little further. This is crazy. What did I do with that? Did it get buried? Oh, there it is. Nothing. What? Why? Oh. See? Here we go with these little finger things. Look at this bull crap. I don't know what. There's nothing in here. Oh my gosh. Why, people, why? These were planted early spring. Early summer, I don't know. I should have put the date on those cards, on those tags. Still, there's nothing in here. Nothing. Oh my gosh. I'm pissed. I'm not pissed, but doggone it. This is too long. Well, y'all, Looks like I have soil for something else next spring, and it won't be sweet potatoes. Not in this one. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that piece of crap right there? Let's get it to the squirrels. Okay, I'm tired. Alrighty, looks like nothing. Nothing but rich soil and bull crap. Alright, I'm done. I say that, they keep digging. I have hopes. There's nothing in here. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's smooth that out. Compost this crap. Can you compost these things? It hasn't deteriorated by now. What is it going to do? Anywho, let's move the camera around. I'm going to try these Yukon potatoes. And we're going to see. Okay, y'all. These are supposed to be my Yukon potatoes. Yukon. I didn't put no date on there. But it was early summer, late spring, something like that. Let's pull these up and see what's happening. Oh! There's nothing on here. Those stems are hard. What in the world? Nothing on these roots but roots. This is crazy. How do you grow potatoes? What the world? They are hard to get out. Nothing but roots. So disappointing. Am I going to have another bucket of just good soil? What in the world? This is from the sweet potatoes over there. Oh boy. Well, so far, a container of soil. Aren't they supposed to be attached to the roots? Right? I don't get it. I don't get it. No, I'm getting all my soil back. I do not understand. Looks like there's nothing in here. It just grew plants. Alright, we'll take out a couple more of these and see if there's anything down in there. But they would be attached to the roots. Am I correct? And there's nothing attached to these roots. Ugh. All that water I wasted, fertilizer and stuff on these doggone plants. more root on the weed than it is potatoes. There's nothing in here. Y'all tell me what the deal is, why. I don't understand. I don't get it. Alright, one more stick. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna try and empty this out rather than dig. Let's see if I can. Oh. There's nothing in here. There is nothing in here but soil. That is so discouraging. Especially when so many plants grow up, and they were so tall. I cut them down earlier in the summer. They were so doggone tall. Look, y'all. Nothing. Is my soil too compacted? What? Alright. It's a wrap. I almost really don't even want to do these sweet potatoes over here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Whew. Alright, I might as well go for it. 2 buckets of soil over here with sweet potato leaves. Why not? While I'm out here doing this, and then I can just be done. Yukon potatoes, my foot. Okay, let me move this camera, y'all. Alright, y'all, we're gonna see. This one says purple sweet potatoes. Okay, I'm just going to try and turn this one over. That's what I'm going to try and do. So I know this is, you see the potato that I've planted. This one. See if I can turn this joker over. Oh, it's tearing up. Not seeing anything but roots. Where's my... I don't get it, y'all. Y'all gotta tell me something. What in the world went wrong here? Uh-oh. Sorry. Wind blew the camera over. Did I get that right? There's nothing in here. This is wild to me. Still too heavy. Nope. How do you get all those sweet potato leaves And you don't get sweet potatoes. Sweet potato slips. So, maybe that's it. Next year, plant the sweet potato slips instead of the sweet potatoes. Maybe that's what the deal is. Perhaps. Y'all tell me, 'cause there's nothing in here. So I'm just gonna repurpose the soil. Oh, look. Wait. Look at here. Would you look at that? We in there. Would you look at that? That's all this in here, is these little skinny things. Let me see if I can flip this over now. It's so heavy. I'm thinking the soil was too compacted also. But this tub is tearing up, so I'm probably gonna toss it. If I can get it turned over. There we go. Oh, look there. Oh, we got a couple on the bottom. The skinny ones. Skinny minis. Hot dog. Something is better than nothing. Well, would you look at there? One. Another little skinny one. Okay. Cheer me up a little bit. Okay? I can get a little meal maybe. Hot dog. Okay. Whew, I was getting real disappointed. A little something. I can get that to the squirrel. Okay, let me break this up. Let me see. Is that it? Wow. Well, and they were all the way at the bottom. So maybe this is not enough room to grow. They were at the very bottom. Only those few. Okay, let me break this little piece up. See if there's anything in here. Nope. Oh, there's another little funny looking one. Am I in the camera? There we go. A little string bean. See if the squirrels eat that. Or compost it. I don't know. Let's see if I got another string bean. Another skinny mini in here. A hot dog. Plastic in here. So I'm just going to spread this soil out in this bed here and treat it for the winter. A lot of plastic in here. What in the world? Okay, let me stop fooling with this. I can do this later. So that's the mother potato. She produced a few babies, and I do mean babies. So from this here bucket, that's what I got. So let me move this out of the way. It's a wrap for this one, isn't it? I might get a little something in there. I don't know. Do I throw it out? Let me just leave it here over the window. Let's see. Okay. Now, can y'all see this other one over here? Let me see. This is the last of the Mohicans. Last of the Mohicans. Let me see if that's in the camera. It is. Yep. So, you know, I got them all tied up because there were so many leaves. What did I do with the scissors? I didn't bury them, did I? Oh, dear Jesus. Did I bury the scissors, y'all? No, I did not. Wow. I don't know what I did with the scissors. They're probably under this doggone dirt. And then also, y'all, I got a few in-ground ones here. I need to move all this dirt back anyway. Out of my way. Look, I buried everything. So the scissors got to be under here too. Wow. I was getting so disappointed. Yeah, where the doggone scissors at? Hold on. Well, I don't know. I don't know what happened to the scissors. They're not under here. Okay. Anywho, let's see. Let's see if I can pull these out. It's tied up with twill. Twine. See if I can get these out. I'm gonna cut them. Oh, goodness gracious. I think I just buried the ones that are planted in ground. But I don't even know if I'm gonna dig those out today. After this. And I'm gonna have to find my scissors. So what is this? This says purple sweet potatoes. We're gonna see how that goes. All right. Let me just, before I put more soil out here, check again for my scissors. Did y'all see what I did with them? What the hell did I do with them? Oh, they're not right here. So I am going to try and turn this over. Hold on. Ooh. Remove all this debris out the way. Throw it in the container. Shit, shoot. I don't know where them scissors are. So, this right here, I don't know if the camera's on there, but this is a potato or two that's planted in the ground. I don't want to mess with that right now. Let's see if I can empty this. Break up this soil some. Oh, I see a little one. Uh-oh. Got one. Who's in my little basket over here? I was hoping to fill that basket. Wishful thinking. I know this is too heavy for me to turn over. Get some of the soil out. Oh. Teeny tiny one. Tiny Tim. Oh, who was it I was watching? Crooked Peach. She got a great harvest of sweet potatoes. I mean, great. Just the other day. Okay, there's a little something here. Let's see what's here. I don't want to break them off. You dig around them. They're probably skinny minis. We're going to see. Little tink tink. Yeah, it's a little tink tink. A little tink tink. We got a walnut. The squirrel's been buried in here. Okay. A little bigger than tink tink. Bigger one. I want a big, fat, purple sweet potato. But it is what it is. Be happy with what you got, right? That is doggone work. Water. I know it's still too heavy for me to tip over. Let me see. Oh, maybe. Let's see. Still in the camera. Remove the basket. Uh-oh, y'all. Oh. Now that excites me. Woo! Okay. Not all is lost. Okay. Little bitty ones. Oh, there's a worm. Keep him in the soil. They can pick the worms up with the gloves. That's the only way. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over and see if we got a couple more in here. Or something else. Maybe. Maybe not. Don't look like it. No, unless they're on the very bottom. Okay. Okay. Looks like there might be a couple on the bottom. I see a little purple right here. And they're skinny minis. Weird. So weird. Look at that, y'all. That ain't worth nothing. That's a little nodule. Oh, we got a little tiny one right here. All these roots. Break it up. Oh, there's one. These long, skinny things. Edible though. We gonna eat that. Oh, this hard work I did. Here's another little tank. Oh, there go one. Okay. That looks like, I think that's two. I'm gonna leave them together though. Oh, there's something right here. A little something. Okay. That might be it, y'all. That might be it. All right. Oh, another little one. Little tank, a little tank's cousin. Roots. Okay. Nope. Okay, y'all. I think that's it. Okay. I don't feel like digging these out. Here. I'm gonna have to get a shovel, or how do I do these? Oh my goodness. I don't know. It's cold out here, y'all, but I done got hot. I got a little warm. Looking for potatoes. Look at there. We got a little bit. Not what I expected though, that's for sure. That's a little one. Look, I'm still hoping to find more. Let me stop. Okay. Hold on, I gotta take this coat off now. I got excited and got a little warm. Hold on. And ain't no sense in coming back out here to do this. Let me see how. Oh, there go the scissors. Okay. I thought I buried them. No sense in, might as well try and get these potatoes out of the ground, if there's any. No sense in coming back out here just for this. So, let's see. Let me put my gloves back on. And I'm going to spread this soil out later on. And reuse it. All right. Let's pull these. Let's pull this up. So what did I plant here? It says purple. Purple sweet potato. Let's see. Oh. So that's the mother plant and a bunch of roots. So that's the sweet potato that I planted. So there's probably nothing in here. Oh, there goes a little spider. Ew. Where's my, what you call it thing? What'd I do with it? Oh, over here. Okay. I'm gonna dig a little bit. I ain't gonna dig too deep. Probably nothing in here. I see worms. This ground is so hard. No, I don't think nothing's in here. I need a shovel. Pitchfork. I don't have a pitchfork. Somebody, y'all can gift me a pitchfork. Who didn't know ask for a pitchfork? Gardeners. That's too much. I'm not doing this right now. I'm gonna get a shovel and dig down in here. And there's a wire here I gotta watch for. I'm not gonna do this right now. Probably nothing in there, but I don't know. You would have thought they'd have been attached to the root of that potato. So, anywho and anyhow, whoo! Thank you for watching. I got a little something, nothing like I expected at all. So, I need to do some research. I don't know why. I don't get it. I don't get it. But anywho, we'll see. It's discouraging, and I don't know if I want to plant any next year. But I think I'm going to grow the slips and plant the slips. I'm going to try that. But thank you for watching. Okay? Grow with me so I can grow with you. Have a wonderful day and happy growing. Toodles. All is not lost. I got a little harvest of purple sweet potatoes. And guess what else? Oh yeah, I broke them down and got what I could get of these sweet potato leaves. And I will be sauteing these jokers. Yeah. Okay? I get as much as I can out of what I planted. Cool beans. Better luck next year, Tracy.